Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to record your screen on Windows 11 in easy way. You don't need to install any application. You don't need to install any software. It's already built in on your Windows 11. What you have to do, you open your snip and the snipping tools like this. You just find on your start button and then search for snipping tool. So previously, this tool only able to screenshot, but now it already built in a screen recording. So you just switch into this video and then click new, and then you can drag which area you want to record, and then you can click start here to start record, and also you can use your microphone, and also you can record the audio on your desktop. That's really cool. You don't need to install like OBS, like Bandicam or Xbox gaming tools, etc. That's really easy. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel, or you just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.